Have you ever wondered how difficult it might be to transition from a typical diet to one that accommodates diabetes? If you're feeling overwhelmed by the change and the multitude of options available, you're certainly not alone. Many people face the challenge of rethinking their breakfast choices, especially when it comes to satisfying cravings while managing blood sugar levels. You'll want to avoid high-sugar foods like sugary cereals, pastries, and syrupy pancakes. These can lead to those dreaded blood sugar spikes that we all want to avoid. So, what's the solution? You don't have to give up the joy of breakfast, just get creative with your choices. Stick around as we explore 10 delicious and diabetes-friendly breakfast ideas that are both nutritious and satisfying. Whether you're looking for something sweet, savory, or just downright comforting, we've got you covered. First up, we have chia seed pudding. Just combine chia seeds with unsweetened almond milk or coconut milk. Let it sit overnight in the fridge, and you'll wake up to a creamy, fiber-rich delight. Next, let's talk about savory oatmeal. Prepare steel-cut oats with water or unsweetened almond milk. Add spices and steam some veggies for a hearty breakfast that keeps you full. Who doesn't love a classic omelet? Whip up a vegetable omelet loaded with bell peppers, onions, and spinach, pure protein goodness to start your day right. For a quick and easy breakfast, try nut butter on low-carb seed crackers. It's a perfect balance of healthy fats and protein, effortlessly satisfying your morning cravings. How about a breakfast hash? Sauté some diced sweet potatoes or any non-starchy veggies in olive oil, add a fried or poached egg, and you've got a delicious and fulfilling meal. Quinoa isn't just for lunch or dinner. Cook it up in the morning and mix it with sautéed greens and a drizzle of olive oil for a powerhouse breakfast bowl. Feeling adventurous? Try a tofu scramble. Crumble firm tofu, cook it with veggies, and season it up for a delightful and nourishing start to your day. Looking for something warm? Seed porridge made from almond flour and chia seeds mixed with unsweetened almond milk will keep you cozy and energized. Need a snack that doubles as breakfast? Roasted chickpeas seasoned with olive oil offer a crunchy, protein-packed option that's irresistible. Finally, savory quinoa cakes. Combine cooked quinoa with vegetables, form them into patties, pan-fry until crispy, and enjoy with avocado. It's like a breakfast you didn't know you needed. So there you have it. 10 delicious diabetes-friendly breakfast ideas that will leave you feeling satisfied and nourished without the blood sugar spikes. Remember, making healthy choices doesn't have to be boring or bland. If you liked this video and want more tips on managing diabetes, don't forget to subscribe and share. What are you excited to try first? Let us know in the comments below.